Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I have the Dlink Mini UPS device. This small tiny device is a power backup device for Wi-Fi routers, set-top box and CCTVs. At the back here are some features. As per Dlink, it can give you up to 4 hours of backup depending upon your usage patterns, supports fast charging and has surge protection, and is easy to plug and play. So let's unbox to see what's inside and know more about it. First, you get a card regarding customer support and product registration. And here is the Mini UPS device. First thing to note that it's light in weight and comes with some cables and connectors. It also has a power switch to turn this on and off. As per the installation instructions, this is how it needs to be set up. So definitely easy to use and no drivers needed for this as well. Let me show you the setup. Take your Dlink Mini UPS device and we have to remove the router so that we can insert the plug and all set up it perfectly. So remove your router and remove the back plug which gives the power to your router. So after removing the adapter power plug of the Wi-Fi router, we have to remove this plug from the Mini UPS device and insert the power cable of the original adapter into this device, and then we will take the output cable from the Mini UPS and insert into the Geo router. So let's insert it into the router. And then put it back at its original place. So now the setup is almost done. Turning this on will make the router turn on. So the router is now booting, as you can see, and I am fast forwarding this clip so that you do not have to waste time. So the router has been booted up and this shows that the UPS is working perfectly fine. You can place the UPS wherever you want. I have placed it on the top for easy access. By the way, the product has a 6 months battery warranty and 1 year product warranty. If you buy, do register this product. In my testing, Dlink Mini UPS gave me roughly between 60 and 90 minutes of backup. Also, it does not make the router turn off as soon as the power goes away. So should you buy this or not? I leave that on you. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe for more videos related to PC, games, gadgets and many more.